So everyone, in this video, we will learn how to create pivot table step by step in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a data. To create pivot table, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell of this data, and you can use here the Control A shortcut key to select the entire data. And the third way, you just simply select the one cell inside this data and go to the Insert tab. And in Tables group, click on the Pivot Table, then click on the From Table or Range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. First option is select a table or range. Here the range is automatically selected. Then second, the choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Then select the new worksheet. So if you want new worksheet, you can add new worksheet. If you want existing worksheet means this worksheet. Okay, new worksheet means it will add one new worksheet to create pivot table. Then click on the OK, and that's it. Here you can see the one new worksheet is added. Okay, with the pivot table fields right hand side and pivot table analysis tab and design tab. Okay, so you can create a pivot table. Just drag the fields below area to create a pivot table. I just drag this product in rows. You just click on this any fields. So I just click on the total price. Just click on this box. You can see the total price is automatically added here, and you can see here your pivot table is ready. You just drag the date and filter. You can see the filter also apply. Just click on this arrow. You can use here the filter. Just click on the one date and click on the OK. The filter is applied. Okay, just click on again and click on the select all and click on all and click on OK. It means all selected. Okay, so this is a way you can create pivot table. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.